Hello all, my name is Bhavya. Now I'm going to be presenting my private blogging application. This is my default homepage I have made for this blogging, and the name should be blogging book, blog book that is. And here we can see in the navbar home and create blog buttons for creating the blogs before login. This navbar should be like this, and here the drop downs login and register before login. And here we can see all the blogs that have been created by the users previously, and we can go with these blogs if you want like to read, or we can watch it. Like here we can see, and this is my footer I have made this for this blog. And if user want to search here their favorite blogs, any name, suppose travel, so the name should be travel. The related blogs should be appeared in this page, that is traveling blog. One is travel blog. So here we can see these blogs searching, remaining or not. So this is the search bar for this one app. You can see. And if user want to create a blog by like creating a post which we want, so if you click on this, it will first redirect to the login page. It is required, right? It's get alert box. Login is required. Before creating a blog, user must log in. And like if he didn't have a login credentials, then he go with the register one. Here, once he registered, so then he can easily redirect to the home page with login credentials and all. Let us see first some dummy details that are not present in the database. Let us see, like if we given some pressing one, and password should be like anything. Like if you click on login, please enter your valid credentials, right? Because these email and password are not present in the database. That's why this error is coming. If we didn't enter any email, like here we see front-end validations, and we can go with the back-end validations also. I'm not giving email. If I log in, something went wrong, enter valid input. This is related to the backend because value should be empty. So backend validations also I'm performing here using Express Validator. So we need to give the email. And so like this one, this is the dummy credentials I have tried for this page. And if I want to go with register, want to register with one name, like any credentials, like some John. And also let us see, I need to submit without giving some fields. And also there is a front-end validations like this. If I want to submit without giving some fields, it will throw an error for the backend because it should be required empty. See for messages I'm getting, for password, for email like that. Sorry, for email like that. So I need to give all the fields. Should be some image like this. So the image should be appear here. You can select once we click on registered, it will redirect to the login page. Yes. So here we can see the database here, the John and the email, last name, image path for that image profile, and password should be hash one, bcrypt one I am using. So here we'll go with that one, John Mark @gmail.com. And see if I'm not, the email should, like I'm missing one letter, like it will enter, please enter valid credentials. So we need to give the registered mail only here. So once we click on login, it will redirect to the successful login. This is my home page. This here we can see home, my post, create blogs. So I already explained before, this is my home page I have made for this one. Like here we can see all the users that are like which user like created previously all these blogs, and here we can search with some pastry cake. That should become like name should be wrong, maybe cake. Yes, the cake should be pastry cake game. You can search over here. If user want to see like my post, means at present this is the new user, right? So no post found. There is no post, like there is no blogs that have been created by this user. So if user want to create the blog, so he can go to the create blog. Here we can see the one model box for this one. So user can create here his blogs. This is the profile pic I have made for. So related pic what you want, you can go with that image. Suppose I want some healthy food blog. The title should be, and here we can, this is the text editor. I'm using what we see, what we get, that is the editor. Here we can go and type healthy food, like some test, anything we want, or we can copy some Google test like healthy food. And I can place some test over here, not test. Inside and copy some. And copy this test and paste it here for more times. Yes. Yes, here we can see the editor should be like, we can add images, anything like stickers, suppose, which we want should be. And we can highlight the words by using bold. And we can select the colors related to it. As the color is changed here, and let it be to more like underline can do, and also made this one blue. Bold some, and this should be strike off. And also we can add images here, so that image path should be like, that is in the path should be same in the public folder what I have given. Some blogs by.jpg. So this should be the length of that. Oh, sorry, I have pressed escape button. Slash images slash blog dot jpg. You can set the height and width for this one. 120. If we add here, see here, this is the image we added. So here we can set this one left, center, or right, like this. Like we can put here, now it will be center, and we can see some more, like we can put the test alignment also, like if you want numbers like this. Once we are done with this editor, we can go with some hashtags, healthy food I want. So once I click on add blogs added successfully, and it will redirect to the my posts, like all my blogs. Here we can see that are made in editor one. Color should be name, and underline things, strike off things, adding symbols, and image should be left. I have given like here. So this is my post. Now I have added. Now let us see if I want to edit once the register, like once he added the blog, he can go with some. Now it is healthy food. I want here you can add more test also, like some dummy test I'm giving. So healthy foods. So before like this, we can go with the preview. Here we can see the changes what we have done here, and we can go with the edit one, and here we can see the test like this and save. Yes, it should be block updated successfully. So here you can see the changes what we have made for this app. And also these are the things I have done for this blog. If user want my second time, and also it should be also added. Wait, we'll see. We want more blogs, like some watch. Data with symbols and all. Again, now I'm adding some blog added successfully, and here we can see 2 blogs. So once we click on edit, so we on preview here, this is the preview thing. Once we go back and we can edit over here, I have already edited before, so I'm not editing anything here. Now coming to the, like, this is my post related to this blogs what I have made, create blog, and we can see all the post here. Home is the, like, all the users who have registered for this application post should be rendered here, all the one by default. Like if this is my footer section here, anyone, if anyone want to subscribe or anyone want to know about this site, you can go here. And if I want to click on locators, default page or one I have given here, and this is the email. Without email, if you want to subscribe, please enter the valid email to subscribe. Please subscribe. This one, see Bhavya.Mallapudi, like name should be subscribed. And coming to, like, after login, we have like directed to the home page, right? Then it will show only profile and logout. No need of login and this. Like here after this profile, here we can edit our name like John. John. This we cannot edit email, it's read only, so we can update. And we can see here John, it is in a capital letters and all. Here it's updated. This is all about my blogs, what I have made, things and all that should be. Now let us go with the backend, the like code and all. So I forgot to say, like, logout. If user, once it is done, it's redirect. Once click on logout, it's redirect to the login page. If user can again go, like, log into his one. Suppose already I have registered with this one, so let us see. It's login successful. I already have data in the database, so that's why here it will appear my previous post what I have made. So we can see, and also we can edit and view it here. But clicking on edit and all. Yes, this is all about. And logout means it will redirect to the home page. Yes. So here you can see login and registered again. And coming to the code, here this is my code. 1 second. First we'll go with the backend structure, how it should be like. Yeah, this is my backend structure. This is the configuration. I have used MongoDB. Like this code is related to the connection with database. And let's go with the models. The schemas for user schema. The name should be type string name, email. Email should be unique. I have given. Once registered with one unique email, it cannot agree with other same mail with another time. Some password and image path I have given. And also this one blog schema. Like here we can see title, description, tags, my name, date, as well as before I have. These are the schemas I have made. Like this is the user controllers logic. All the related to the profile should be here. Users like registered, login, and all. And coming to bloggers, so yeah, bloggers like creating blogs and using profile. All things should be here. And these are the, and in helpers validations, I told like I used Express Validator. So I have done all the validations here. And in app.js, I'm connecting like all these things I am calling here and making the routing. In routes part, as I said, routing is here. As per the blogs, the routing is this one. So this is all about backend. And coming to the front end, the structure should be like all the components. We have a create blocks in dashboard. We have CSS and as well as this one also, like components. So in my application, the special thing what I have, it is the editor I have used. Now I need to explain some points about that one, the workflow of that editor one, what we see, what we get, that is the WY, SWI, GY editor. You can see the code should be in create blog, right? Here, when I'm creating the post, it rendering title and one editor box and one tag field, right? Yeah, before that, when we type a test and we can select some editing things and all. For this, I have used npm package, right? That should be React Drafts WYSI This is the third party package I have used. This is the editor state, like here, this is the function that will generate an editor box. We can set the height and length for that one. So let us go with this editor one, that the format should be like editor. This is the editor state. That state should be like if we are providing some test, that test should be changing into the editor state, like if we select on some special symbols, underline and all. And here, when we once the how it changes on editor state change, we are doing one functionality on change function like this, nothing but on editor state change, it will change into the editor state change. Like let us see. First, I have given one const variable for one variable for editor state, but it is an empty. Then this editor state I'm passing to the use state, what I have made like for description set description, and passing this empty state here. So once I told before one on change editor state is there, here I'm updating what I'm typing here, this I'm updating it to this editor state, and I'm passing this, I'm updating into set description, right? I'm passing description here in this npm package user for editor one. Now here I am passing the description. Here in test area, what we are typing, like in that one, that should be converted into draft to HTML, means that should be converted to the HTML inline styles with tags and all. Let us see how it is saving in database. See, like here we can see, we click on like this, we can see the tags should be like all p tag, span tag, like that it is saving. These are the styles for like HTML inline styles with inline styles and also tags and all. It is saving like this. Now coming to the code, now it is converting like draft to HTML. That package is from draft.js to HTML. So once we are typing normal text, that should be converted into the draft.js to HTML tags with inline styles and all. And in draft.js, I'm importing editor state and convert to raw. Like this one is for, it will convert draft to HTML, convert to raw, and it will store it in the like get current content, that it will take that description and it will convert into the draft to HTML format and storing in the database. This much. And after getting the data from the database, I'm rendering in, suppose like posts. In my post, I'm rendering the data. For that, I'm using dangerous set inner HTML. These are the inbuilts only. In that, I'm setting the, like I'm using map function right here, item. So items or description, like it will convert into the normal HTML format as we saw before. Like if I go to home, it will convert into the normal text like this. Before in database, it should be the tags with inline styles and all HTML tags with. Now it should be converting into the normal text using dangerously set inner HTML. In that I'm passing underscore HTML colon items dot description. It will change this to this one. This is the tag I have given. Yeah, this is the all about my project and all. Yeah, thank you.